Welcome to Seedling Squad, your go-to place for all things plant and gardening. Whether you're a beginner just starting out or a seasoned green thumb, we've got tips, tricks, and tutorials for everyone. Hi, I'm Nicole, and I'm here to help you grow your gardening skills and turn your space into a green paradise. From seed to harvest, let's embark on this gardening journey together. In today's video, we will be featuring the 10 best pollinator garden plants you can grow. Just so you know, there are direct links to all the related products in the description below. If you want a wide range of gardening facts, tips, and tricks, be sure to visit our website at seedlingsquad.com. So, let's get started. Bee Balm. Bee Balm is a vibrant, clump-forming perennial known for its shaggy, crown-like flowers in shades of red, pink, and purple. It has a slightly minty fragrance and grows well in garden beds and borders, adding both color and texture. Gardeners love it because it spreads easily, blooms in summer, and brings constant movement to the garden. What makes bee balm exceptional for pollinators is its rich nectar and tubular flowers, which are perfectly shaped for hummingbirds, bees, and butterflies. It becomes a true feeding hub during peak bloom, supporting a wide range of beneficial insects. Purple coneflower. Purple coneflower is a hardy perennial with daisy-like purple petals and a spiky central cone. It forms upright clumps and blooms for weeks in summer, adding a natural, prairie-style beauty to gardens. Gardeners value it for its toughness, drought tolerance, and ability to return year after year with minimal care. As a pollinator plant, it is a powerhouse. Its nectar-rich blooms attract bees, butterflies, and native pollinators, while the seed heads later feed birds like goldfinches. It also provides long-lasting forage through its extended bloom period. Butterfly weed. Butterfly weed is a bright, low-maintenance perennial known for its vivid orange clusters of flowers and slender green leaves. It has a bushy, upright form and thrives in sunny, open spaces. Gardeners love it for its drought tolerance, long blooming season, and ability to add bold color to wildflower-style gardens. What makes it exceptional for pollinators is its role as a vital host plant for monarch butterflies. It also produces abundant nectar that attracts bees, butterflies, and other beneficial insects, making it one of the most important plants for supporting pollinator life cycles. Blazing star. Blazing star is a striking perennial known for its tall, upright spikes covered in fuzzy purple or pink flowers that bloom from top to bottom. Its grass-like foliage gives it a clean, vertical structure that works well in borders and meadow-style gardens. Gardeners appreciate it for its elegance, long bloom time, and low-maintenance nature. As a pollinator plant, blazing star is highly effective because its dense flower spikes provide abundant nectar that attracts bees, butterflies, and native pollinators. Monarchs and swallowtails are especially drawn to it, making it a strong support plant during peak migration periods. Lavender. Lavender is a fragrant, woody perennial with silvery green foliage and spikes of purple-blue flowers. It forms neat, rounded shrubs that work beautifully in borders, herb gardens, and pathways. Gardeners love it for its calming scent, drought tolerance, and long-lasting blooms that also dry well for crafts and aromatherapy. As a pollinator plant, lavender is exceptional because its high nectar flowers are constantly visited by bees, especially honeybees. It also attracts butterflies and other beneficial insects, providing a reliable food source during warm, sunny months when pollinator activity is at its peak. Salvia. Salvia is a hardy perennial with dense spikes of violet, blue, or purple flowers rising above aromatic foliage. It forms neat clumps that fit perfectly into borders, cottage gardens, and pollinator beds. Gardeners love it for its long blooming season, heat tolerance, and how easily it reblooms when spent flowers are trimmed. What makes Salvia especially valuable for pollinators is its steady production of nectar-rich, tubular flowers. These blooms are perfectly designed for bees and hummingbirds, offering a reliable food source throughout the growing season and keeping pollinators active in the garden for longer periods. Joe-Pye Weed. Joe-Pye weed is a tall, dramatic perennial that produces large, fluffy clusters of dusty pink to mauve flowers in late summer. It has sturdy stems and broad green leaves, often reaching impressive heights that make it a strong background plant in wildflower or naturalized gardens. Gardeners value it for its size, reliability, and ability to create a bold vertical statement. As a pollinator plant, Joe-Pye weed is one of the most powerful late-season nectar sources available. It draws in swarms of butterflies, especially swallowtails and monarchs, along with bees and other native pollinators when many other plants have finished blooming. Black-eyed Susan. Black-eyed Susan is a cheerful, daisy-like perennial with bright yellow petals and a dark brown center. It grows in upright clumps and brings a wild, meadow-like feel to gardens. Gardeners love it because it is extremely easy to grow, thrives in poor soil, and blooms for a long season from summer into fall. It is a strong pollinator plant because its open flowers provide easy access to nectar and pollen for bees, butterflies, and other native insects. Its long bloom time ensures a steady food source throughout peak pollinator activity. Aster. Aster is a beautiful late-blooming perennial covered in star-shaped flowers that range from purple and pink to blue and white. It grows in bushy clumps and adds rich color to the garden, just as many summer flowers begin to fade. Gardeners value it for its reliability, strong growth, and ability to extend seasonal interest into fall. As a pollinator plant, Aster is essential because it provides critical late-season nectar when food sources are scarce. It is especially important for migrating butterflies and supports bees preparing for colder months. Goldenrod. Goldenrod is a vibrant late-season perennial known for its tall plumes of golden yellow flowers that brighten meadows and garden borders. It grows in upright clumps and spreads naturally, creating a strong wildflower presence. Gardeners appreciate it for its toughness, drought tolerance, and ability to thrive with minimal care. As a pollinator plant, goldenrod is a true powerhouse. It produces abundant nectar and pollen, supporting hundreds of bee, butterfly, and beneficial insect species. It is especially valuable in late summer and fall when few other flowers are in bloom, making it a critical survival food source. Thanks for joining us on this countdown of the 10 best pollinator garden plants you can grow. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening, Seedling Squad!